if it had detonated,
Yeah,
as if they were planned to take down a building. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, here's one of the guys who can tell you I'm okay, all right? Here, hold on. You want to call your mother or something?
Be right now.
You gotta get back from here.
Mom, you know that,
You gotta get back.
All right?
I know.
Don't worry about me. You need to make calls right now. All right, let's go.
From the police department and the fire department were standing at the new school in back for the 2 days, and they were screaming at the media, please pay attention. We got phone calls. We listened that their husbands or their children were saying there's explosives coming on like the 23rd, 26th floor before the buildings went down. And the media started laughing and said, we have no time to hear you.
Bomb in the building, start clearing out. Sorry, you said there's a bomb? What'd you say? Bomb in the building, start clearing out. Got him.
I was going to go do a job, and I got on the elevator, and the freight elevator, and I heard the first explosion, and the elevator blew up, the doors blew up, and it dropped, and I was lucky that the elevator got caught between two floors.
Which floors?
The B levels, the basement levels, with all the, all the mechanics.
A high level plus short duration gives us an energy wave pulse traveling across the water in a direct line of sight 1.8 miles to the camera at Frank Sinatra Pier.
Some of the streets, and before, when I reported about an hour ago, there were people at their gas pumps who turned to look if the smoke was coming from the city. Folks stepping out of bodegas and stores to look. Now people are gathering in large groups. In fact, in one corner, I saw a group of people actually holding hands and praying. As I stand on the Manhattan Bridge, which is closed, it is open to pedestrian traffic. Some people are walking across, but there's just no way for them to. I don't look at something else, and I can't. Disappearing in the smoke. It is an incredible sight. People around me are thinking about it. I cannot even describe it. It is one of those rare moments where you just can't describe it. It looks as though it was a puff of cloud, almost like a firework explosion of cloud. No noise with it. And then all of a sudden, I just looked out.